Imagine yourself in this Chrysler 2018 300 Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio memory, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4C with 8.4 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual zone AC and rear window defroster. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.